All right, hey everybody, what's going on? This is John here with another video for you. For those of you that are using WordPress websites, if you didn't already know, there is a way for you to schedule your blog posts or your posts, as well as schedule your pages so that way they go live or they published live without you having to manually do so. I'm going to show you how to do that in this quick video, so let's just jump right into it. So I've already got a blog post ready to go, just from the draft perspective, and I can put in my title, I can put it in my description, and all of that. I'm not going to use the Divi Builder here for this example, but you all would have the same options on the right. If you're using the latest version of WordPress, you'll have this publish box that's going to be there. And in that publish box, you're going to want to pay attention to where this option over here that says publish immediately. And when you click the edit button, this is where you get to choose what date or by month and what day and then what year if you want to change the year or even what time. So for example, maybe I want to have this publish on tomorrow, which is the 3rd of January, maybe at 9 o'clock a.m. And so I'd put that in there and then I'd hit OK, and that's going to tell me that I am now scheduled for that post to go out or to be published at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. It does use military time, and so if you go past 12 o'clock, it'll get into like 1300, 1400, and so on. And so be sure that you're putting that in accordingly. If you just put that in thinking it's going to be 9 p.m., it will not be. So just be mindful of that. But everything else will stay the same. And so as you normally would create your blog post or your page, you're just going to want to go in and look for that publish option and click on the schedule or the publish option and hit edit. Choose your date and time, and then once you do that and hit save, it'll change it over to scheduled, and you'll see where it's scheduled to go out and be published at the time that you've selected. We've got some other videos on our YouTube channel, so if you got a chance, go ahead and check those out. If you're not already subscribed, it'd really help us out if you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, so that way we know that you like this content and so that we can create more. Until the next video, we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.